Hi guys, so today I want to talk about Kempharm Pharmaceuticals, Nasdaq ticker KMPH. Kempharm is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company engaged in the development and discovery of prodrugs that are designed to be an improved version of already prescribed FDA approved products. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. All the information in this video is freely available and I encourage everyone to do their own research if thinking about investing in this company. I have invested a small portion of my portfolio in this company, and in this video I will discuss why I think this is a buy right now and will explode soon. If you like the content, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I will make more videos on any other companies that I'm looking to invest in. Drop a comment down below on any thoughts you have on this company or any company you think I should take a look at. So in this video, we're going to look at a number of things. First, we're going to look at what the company does, what products they have developed. We will look at the FDA approval date and the market size for these products. We will look at recent events that have affected the share price of the company and the future events that are going to affect the share price. We will look at the financial restructuring that the company has recently gone through. We're going to have a look at what the analysts think about this company and what price predictions the analysts have for the stock of this company. We're going to talk a bit about the team at Kempharm and the contracts and partnerships that they have. In particular, we're going to talk about the partnership with Corium, the team at Corium, which I think is very interesting. Kempharm is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company that specializes in the treatment of ADHD. At the moment, Kempharm has 3 ADHD products in development. The main focus of the company at the moment and the main catalyst that is driving the share price is the company's product candidate KP415. They also have 2 other ADHD products in development, KP484 and KP922. Both of these products will hit milestones at various stages of 2021. Should KP415 get FDA approval, then the likely scenario is that KP484 will also get FDA approval. KP415 treats ADHD in children, while KP484 treats ADHD in adults. Kempharm has partnered with 2 companies for the commercialization of these products. Granite Point Capital, funded by Ernesto Bertarelli. This is Ernesto Bertarelli. He's a Swiss billionaire. And Corium Incorporated, which is a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company focused on development, manufacturing, and commercialization of specialty pharmaceutical products. KP415 is the main catalyst at the moment that will drive the share price of this company up, and I expect there will be some upward movement in the share price between now and its FDA approval date of March the 2nd. There's a very sizable market for ADHD treatments. So here's a press release from January 27th, so that's a little over 3 weeks ago, detailing the financial restructuring the company has completed. So as we can see here, the company had debts of 93 million as of the 31st of March 2018. In December 2019, they completed phase 1 of financial restructuring. They made amendments to the debt agreements to extend the maturity dates to March 31st, 2021, but also agreed to convert 18.7 million of debt to common shares, which was completed in August 2020. In December 2020, they entered an agreement to pay at least 40 million of the debt on the completion of an equity offering. 3 days later, they completed a 1-for-16 reverse stock split in order to qualify for relisting on the Nasdaq. On the 8th of January, Kempharm was relisted on the Nasdaq and announced an equity offering of 7.5 million shares at 650 of common stock, as well as issuing warrants to purchase another 7.5 million at 650. The net proceeds was approximately 46.4 million. On January 26th, the company announced the warrant holders exercised the right to purchase 6.6 million shares, and as a result, the company will receive gross proceeds of 44 million. So after this series of events, the company has cleared all of its outstanding debts, regained its listing on the Nasdaq, and has a solid balance sheet and has significantly extended its cash runway for the future. Overall, this puts the company in a fantastic position compared to where it was 3 years ago. Okay, so at the time of recording this video, Kempharm's share price is currently $10.54. The share price has been increasing steadily since the start of February and is currently over $4 up on what it was at the start of the month. The stock hit its highest point at $11 on Tuesday before dropping back into the 9s on Thursday before again gaining 7% on Friday. I expect this upward trend will continue all through next week, right up to the PDUFA date. I think it's worth noting that that date is significant. If KP415 gets its FDA approval, then I believe the stock will continue upwards. However, if it does not get FDA approval, in my opinion, the stock could crash very quickly. Okay, so let's have a look at what the analysts think. I was only able to find 2 price targets set by analysts. The first price target was set by Roth Capital analyst Jonathan Ashcroft, who gave Kempharm a buy rating and a $28 price target. That was on the 25th of January. The other price target I found was set by H.C. Wainwright back in May 2020. At the time, they lowered their target from $2.50 to $1.50. It is worth noting that that price target was before a 1-for-16 reverse stock split. In effect, that $1.50 price target was for 1/16th of a share, or $24 for what a share is today. Since then, the company has completely restructured its finances, it has cleared its debts, and has been relisted on the Nasdaq. So then, let's move on to the Kempharm team. Kempharm is headed up by Travis Mickle. Travis has been the CEO of Kempharm since 2007. Prior to that, Travis was at a company called New River Pharmaceuticals. While at New River Pharmaceuticals, Travis and his team developed the drug Vyvanse. In 2007, New River Pharmaceuticals was acquired by a UK-based company called Shire. At this point, Travis left and set up Kempharm. Vyvanse has been huge for Shire. In fact, it has been the best return on investment drug since it was developed. It's interesting that it was the same team at Shire, led by Perry Sternberg, that are now at Corium and are working with Travis to bring KP415 to the market. New River Pharmaceuticals cost Shire $2.6 billion back in 2007. If Kempharm's KP415 is approved by the FDA on March 2nd, it will mark the first major improvement since the launch of Vyvanse in 2007. In 2003, the ADHD market was $2.3 billion. The market in 2024 is estimated to be $24 billion, with a year-over-year increase. So if you've made it this far in the video, thanks, I appreciate the support so much. Drop me a like and subscribe to the channel and let's make some money. So in conclusion, where do I see the price target for this company in the coming weeks? Well, I think this company has a lot to offer. I think its products are solid, I think its research is solid, but everything hinges on the FDA approval. I think if they get the FDA approval for KP415, then they will also get the approval for the other drugs. And if they do not get approval for 415, it might be unlikely for the other drugs also. In the very short term, I totally expect the share price of this company will go up over the course of next week, between now and March 2nd. It could possibly reach $20 before the FDA approval. If KP415 is approved, I think the upward trend will continue until the next catalyst date. However, if the company does not get FDA approval, I think the knock-on effects will be dramatic. So it is a risky investment. However, currently at $10, I think it's good value. It's possible, with FDA approval, that this share price could be multiple times its current price within weeks. If you enjoyed that video, drop me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.